Hello all, welcome to AlgoFreak. In today's video, I would be solving the problem middle of the linked list. The problem statement is that we are given with a linked list and we need to return the middle of it. So let us understand the problem statement with the given example. So in the first example, what we have is we have 4 nodes, and in this case, the question says that if we have even number of nodes, then the middle one is second one. And if we have odd number of nodes, then there would be only one middle element, that is over here 2. So the first approach which comes directly to our mind is that we can count the number of nodes. In the first iteration, we can maintain one pointer when we can count the number of nodes in the first iteration. And in second iteration, what we can do is we can keep a temporary pointer, and we can point to the half of it, the count. So in this way, we would reach the middle. But the approach what I am going to discuss over here is I would be solving via two pointer approach. And two pointer approach, we would be maintaining two pointers. One is slow, another is fast. Both slow and fast would start from the head itself. So what will happen is fast will move by 2 and slow will move by 1, and we will move the fast pointer till it is going to hit null or its next is going to null. So let me explain you what I mean to say. You'll understand better. So here fast is not equals to null, as you can see, so we'll increment it by 2. So fast will point over here, and slow will increment itself by 1. Slow will point here, and again we check whether fast is null or fast next is null. So as we can see that fast is not equal to null and fast next is also not equal to null. So we'll increment our fast pointer by 2 and we'll increment our slow pointer by 1. So after this, when we see again iterate over here, we see that fast is equals to null. So we are going to stop our loop, and in the slow pointer itself, we are going to get the middle node. So this is for the even number of nodes, and let us see what happens if we have odd number of nodes. We will start the same slow and fast. Check whether fast is equals to null or fast next is equals to null. Both are failing over here, so we can increment our fast pointer by 2. Fast will point over here, and slow will just increment itself by 1. So now fast next is going to hit null. In this case, fast became null, and in this case fast next is null. So we hit our condition and we'll stop our loop. So in this case also slow is going to store our middle element. Output over here is 3 and output over here is 2. So let us see the code implementation of it. So what we are going to do is we are going to create two pointers. One is fast, another is slow. Both will start from head. Fast, both will start from head. And what we need to do is we need to move our fast pointer until it hits null or its next is null. So what we need to do is we need to loop over the linked list fast not equal to null and fast next equal to null. So and what we need to do is we need to move our slow pointer by 1 and fast pointer by 2. So for that we are just going to move slow equals to slows next, fast equals to fast next. Is this enough? No, because we need to move our fast by 2. So fast next, that is going to store. That is how we are going to move our fast. At the end of this while loop, our fast will be either pointing to null or fast next would be null, and slow would be storing our answer. So let us return slow, and let's run our code. Let's submit it. It got accepted. So this was the explanation from my side. If you have any doubt, please do comment in the comment section. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.